Today I'm showing you how to add custom notification sounds on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Download notification sound. First, you need to download a notification sound file. Open your preferred web browser on your phone. Step 2. Find free sounds. In the search bar, search for free notification sounds or visit a site like Pixabay. In the search results, click on a trusted site like Pixabay.com that offers free sound effects. Step 3. Browse through the available notification sounds. When you find one you like, tap on it to open the details page, then tap the download icon to download the sound file to your phone. Step 4. Open Files app or File Manager on your device. Step 5. Navigate to Downloads. In the Files app, tap Internal Storage or Device, then tap Downloads. Here you'll see all your recently downloaded files, including the notification sound you just downloaded. Step 6. Move File. Find your downloaded sound file. Tap the three dots beside the file, then select Move to or Move from the pop-up menu. Step 7. Create Notifications folder. Navigate to your phone's internal storage root directory. Look for a folder called Notifications. If it doesn't exist, tap Add New Folder or the folder icon with a plus sign. Name it exactly as Notifications with a capital N. Step 8. Move Sound File. Select the notifications folder you just created and tap Move Here or OK to move the sound file to the correct location for Android to recognize it as a notification sound. Step 9. Open Settings. Go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Step 10. Access Sound Settings. Scroll down and tap on Sound, Sound and Vibration, or Sounds and Notifications, depending on your device. Step 11. Open Notification Ringtone, Default Notification Sound, or Notification Sound. This shows all available notification sounds. Step 12. Select Custom Sound. Scroll through the notification sounds list. Your custom sound file should now appear in the list. It might be at the bottom or in a My Sounds section. Tap on your custom sound to preview it. Step 13. Save Selection. Once you've confirmed it's the right sound, tap OK or Save to set it as your default notification sound. Step 14. Test your notification. Send yourself a test notification, have someone message you, or send yourself an email. Your custom notification sound should play when the notification arrives. Android supports MP3, OGG, and WAV files for notification sounds. Make sure your downloaded file is in one of these formats. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom notification sound to your Android device.